looks like I am going to get another steam show from the Amana. Not as frozen as it was on Halloween, but pretty damn frozen. For some reason, it seems like the steam looks better at night. I do not know why. But I should definitely be able to see the steam really well now. Almost totally melted off. And there is a stick stuck inside the fan grill. And a leaf. That was the lead. No steamage yet. It is still on. It's hard to tell, but it's definitely still on. Yeah, I can hear the boom, 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 boom. So the Amana is still on. Still defrosting. But no steam. At least none that I could see. Oh, now I think it's steaming. There it is. Look at that. It's like coming out from around the sides. There it is. Wish I had my big Coleman lantern, but this is decent enough. Probably going to turn back on any second now. Yep. And it fogged up my glasses. Yeah, there's a pattern I'm noticing here. The Amana seems to run a lot Like, it'll run, defrost, it'll run long enough to freeze up, and then it'll stay on long enough to defrost, and then kick back into heat mode. The ream never stays on long enough, like no more than 5-10 minutes at a time. There is something about the part of the building the ream heats and cools and what the thermostat's set to that's keeping it from staying on that long. But yeah, I have not seen the ream freeze up at all yet. So maybe this damn thing will stay on long enough to steam up or freeze up and steam. I'll wait out the ream for a little bit, but it's kind of cold. I think I'm going to get out of here pretty soon. I got another video of the Amana steaming though, that's pretty cool. Alright, hopefully I'll be back. If not, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out. And just as expected, the ream shut off. I don't even think it was running for 10 minutes. Had to wait for it to get really cold for it to run long enough to freeze up, probably. Even just a defrost cycle. I'm not necessarily even that, I don't even care if I don't get a steam show right away. I just want a video of a stamped octagon defrosting. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.